Cleveland was a non-metropolitan county in England. It was abolished on 1 April 1996 and replaced by Hartlepool, Middlesbrough, Redcar, and Cleveland and Stockton-on-Tees. Political control. Since the first election to the council in 1973, political control of the council has been held by the following parties. Council elections. Cleveland County Council election, 1973. Cleveland County Council election, 1977. Cleveland County Council election, 1981. Cleveland County Council election, 1985. Cleveland County Council election, 1989. Cleveland County Council election, 1993. County result maps. By election results. References. External links.